Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Mi Neckband Bluetooth headset was launched few weeks back along with the Redmi K20 series. And after using this neckband style earphone for few weeks, today in this video, we will tell you if they are really worth buying. Mi Neckband Bluetooth headset is available on Flipkart for Rs 1599. So let's do the unboxing first. In the front of the box we have the picture of the product itself and the model name Mi Neckband Bluetooth earphone. And here are some of the features such as 8 hours of playback time, dynamic bass, voice assistant and Bluetooth 5.0 support. At the back of the box we have some technical details and the box content info. And here you can see that the MRP of these earphone is Rs 1999. Now let's open the box and see the content. So first we get the earphones on the top. We will look at the earphones in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get the user guide along with the micro USB charging cable. We also get 3 pair of extra ear tips. So that's all we get in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. The new in-ear neckband earphone from Xiaomi has the micro arc collar design. These in-ear earphone looks quite similar to the Mi Basic wired earphones and has the same metallic finish. In terms of build quality, it feels pretty decent, and even though I personally don't prefer the neckband style earphones, but these earphones look and feel much better than some other neckband style earphones I have tested in past. The collar part is made up of rubber-like material which is flexible, and the material used here feels pretty good. On the left side of the collar, you have the power and the volume buttons, which can also be used to go forward and go back to the previous soundtrack. And then you also have a mic here for calls. The micro USB charging port on these earphones is covered to protect it from dust and sweat. Talking about the earphone wire itself, the quality is not that good and one can easily break the wire, so you'll have to be extra careful while using the earphones. And as mentioned earlier, that the earphone housing looks quite similar to the Mi Basic wired earphones, but these metallic finish earphones have magnets at the back so that when they are not in your ear, they don't swing around. Now let's talk about the most important part, which is the sound quality. The Mi Neckband Bluetooth earphone, when it comes to sound quality, performs average. These earphone lacks clarity and the bass is also not that good. In many occasions, I find the sound muffled up and bit distorted. One more thing is the volume. The earphones are also not that loud, but enough for watching videos on YouTube and taking phone calls. We have also tested the earphones for games and there is a noticeable audio lag while playing games. So in short, the earphones are only good for watching videos and movies, but apart from that, I personally didn't like them for music. And if you're planning to buy these earphones primarily to listen music, then I won't recommend these earphones to you. There was no issue in the connectivity and the battery backup was also as claimed, which is somewhere around 7 to 8 hours at 80% volume. In terms of comfort, they're pretty comfortable, and because they are lightweight, you can use them for long hours. So to sum it up, if you're looking to buy a Bluetooth neckband style earphone with good battery backup for watching videos and movies, then you can consider buying these earphones. But for music lovers, these earphones will be a big disappointment. The earphone lacks clarity, bass and the volume is also not that loud, and we do not recommend you to buy these earphones. Apart from the average sound quality, they are not waterproof or sweat resistant, which means you won't be able to use them while working out. And with that, our final verdict is to skip these earphones and we give them 2 stars out of 5. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Mi Neckband Bluetooth earphone. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have bought one, tell us what you like or don't like about them in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.